Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purpose only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Hey, make sure you're checking out optionpitmembers.com every day, because that's where you can get all this great information like the Vol Report, things like that. It's totally worth it and the best. We've got our next webinar of the month coming up on Monday. And that will be out with the trade idea of the week that I will be doing here shortly. So here we are this morning. We had a crazy rally yesterday. And, I'm looking at markets and, they tried to sell things off. But our canary in the coal mine, IWM, it's one of the leaders along with the other canary in the coal mine, the NDX. Remember, when the NDX and the Russell 2000 are leading, it's been very hard for sell-offs to have any legs to them. And we are seeing that today. Now, we got some nice, and I'll get back to that, but we had some nice bank earnings today. JP Morgan knocked it out of the park and, of course, is down. And then Citigroup knocked it out of the park and is down. So in standard market fashion, they punish the banks for reporting good earnings. As I review kind of the overall situation, and that's going to weigh on the Dow a little bit. You can see Apple continues to look strong. Amazon continues to look strong. We see strength kind of across. And sorry for the background noise, folks. I got to be close to the internet, the interweb. There's real good strength in. There's real good strength kind of across the board, except for in banking. So, you look at your individual sectors, and biotechs are off a little bit. The financials look weak today. We may look at the financials, XLF, JP Morgan. Tech is off a touch, but not really. And then, of course, industrials or utilities. But all in all, Dow up and NDX up, IWM up. I think eventually you'll see the S&P go back to green. It was green on the open. And I think you're going to see the VIX go red. It's going to be very difficult for the VIX to stay anywhere near green, even with kind of the slashing it got yesterday, unless we see some sort of serious change in market sentiment. Market sentiment today seems a little positive. Looking at the SPX, one of the reasons why it's kind of hammering its own head is we're sitting at a very crucial number, right at 2,800. Market is bumping its head right up against 2,800. Briefly, almost touched it yesterday, didn't. It'll probably touch it today. I'm almost certain. But similar to yesterday, the high of the day, 27.99.83. So right there. So watch out if we break 2,800. The day could turn around real fast, and it could, as Keith Harwood of the Breakout Bulletin likes to say, we could get some FOMO on this, the fear of missing out on the stock market rally. So in which case, then you'll probably see another just drubbing of the VIX index. I do like some bullish plays in the S&P. I think that there's some interesting opportunities there. We'll probably be looking at that. We're going to be looking at JP Morgan and Citigroup. I'm going to be playing with IWM. IWM has been soft the last couple of days. Now that since it's stronger today, I'm going to be playing with it. And then finally, I'm going to take a look at some of these tech names. Twitter was one that we hopped in yesterday that was really good, or the day before yesterday that was really good. Apple still looks strong and continues to move higher, and we'll see where things are with there. And then one name that nobody talks about but is just blowing the doors off is Microsoft. I mean, it is unbelievable. It was below 100 at the beginning of the week. It's running to 105. I mean, this is some serious a serious bull charge here in Softy. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpick.com, or call me at 88-Trade-01.